Standard first subject maths. Hello students, today we are going to learn about the topic Introduction of Equal Sign. Let's start today's topic. Hey, can you see this pond? Can you see some animals in the pond? Let's count how many ducks in the pond. 1, 2, 3. Yes, there are 3 ducks in the pond. How many frogs in the pond? 1, 2, 3. There are also 3 frogs in the pond. So we can say that there are equal number of ducks and frogs in the pond. How do we write this? We first write the number 3, then we put the equal to sign, then we write number 3 again. We read this as 3 is equal to 3. Now look, there are so many crabs and fish inside the pond. Let's count how many crabs inside the pond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count how many fish inside the pond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fish in the pond. There are also 5 crabs in the pond. So we can say that there are equal number of fish and crabs in the pond. We read and write this as 5 is equal to 5. Now look at this example. One side picture of cars and other side picture of balls. Let's count how many cars here. 1, 2, 3. Let's count how many balls here. 1, 2. So there are 3 cars and 2 balls here. It means the number of cars and the number of balls are unequal. So we cannot put equal sign here. Look at this example. One side picture of trees and other side picture of stars. Let's count how many trees here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count how many stars here. 1, 2, 3. There are 4 trees and 3 stars here. It means the number of trees and the number of stars are unequal. So we cannot put equal sign here. Now look at these two groups. We can see one group of cups and other group of gift boxes. Let's count how many cups here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count how many gift boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 cups and 5 gift boxes. That is, the number of cups equal to the number of gift boxes. So, we can read and write it as 5 is equal to 5. Now, look at these two groups. We can see one group of fish and other group of birds. Let's count how many fish here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count how many birds here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 fish and 4 birds. That is the number of fish equal to the number of birds. So we can read this as 4 is equal to 4. Let us see some more examples. We can see here picture of mangoes and apples. Let's count how many mangoes here. 1, 2, 3. Let's count how many apples here. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 mangoes and 3 apples here. There are equal number of mangoes and apples here. So we can put equal sign here. We can read this as 3 is equal to 3. Understood? Look at this example. We can see picture of balloons and kites. Let's count how many balloons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count how many kites. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 5 balloons and 4 kites. The number of balloons and the number of kites are unequal. So we cannot put equal sign here. There are two crocodiles. We can read this as 2 is equal to 2. There are three balls. We can read this as 3 is equal to 3. Let's solve one question. Put an equal sign in between the group with equal number of shapes or things. First, one side having two shapes and the other side having two shapes. It means there are equal number of shapes both sides. So we can put equal sign here. Now look at second question. One side having 4 shapes and the other side having 3 shapes. It means the number of shapes on both sides are unequal. So we cannot put equal sign here. Now look at this third question. We can see here picture of flowers and strawberries. There are 4 flowers and 4 strawberries here. We can say that there are equal number of flowers and strawberries. So we can put equal sign here. Now your homework is count the shapes, write the numbers and put an equal sign if they are equal. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you.